So I brought the paddle board to fish off of, but I don't know if I'm going to do that or not. I might just walk around the lake and try fishing a little bit. I don't know. Maybe I'll just find a small hike or something too. Who knows? Yeah, it's only going to take like an hour and a half or something for them to run through there, and then I got to go meet them somewhere else on like mile 16 of their 20 miles. So we'll see. We'll get into it. More to come. Enjoy, y'all. We'll see you later. I gave up. I don't think there's any fish in this place. If there is, I'm not catching any. So the girls should be running through here any minute now. We'll get them restocked up so they can continue, and then I'll head to the next place where we're just basically sitting on the side of a road. But it's awesome out here, dude. Check it out. Just sitting out here waiting for them to come through. It's like mile 15 and a half or something like that. So, got about 40 minutes at least. Chill time. Well, we're going to stay in an Airbnb right outside of Prescott. I just want to stay like in unique places, man, and see different things. So I got a tiny home Airbnb that's ran all by like solar and things like that. It's on somebody's small ranch, and they have zebras and like other farm animals. So we're gonna see how that goes. Well, here we are, and Christine is finished with her 22 miles. Now we're just waiting for friends to finish their 23 or 24 mile spurt. Heath is just over there playing Pokemon Go in his truck all alone. Okay. Put it in your pocket or in your vest.
Just pretend. Yeah, I'll do it at the end, but I don't want to do it right now.
Alrighty. Almost there.
Cheers. Cheers. Okay, everybody's
That's the ranch. All right. Well, we just got here to the tiny house. I'll take you inside to take a look. It's pretty cool. It's a little off camber. It won't stay shut. But so you have a bed up there. And the bed up this way. That's it up there. Bathroom, little laundry, sink. It's cozy. It's pretty cool though.
And some corn.
Good morning.